Welcome, welcome to Bayhill Studio. And as you can see, I'm ready to paint today. This idea that I have in mind for this painting is inspired by the daisies that are blooming outside in my front yard. I just love them so much, and I'm trying to think of how I can put that onto canvas somehow. So this is my best guess or my best attempt right now. I've made one attempt so far and I didn't like it very much. Maybe I liked it, but it wasn't what I was looking for. So I'm trying, this is attempt number 2, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to do a pearl base, and my base is in yellow, which is why I prepped the canvas in yellow, got the corners covered. Excuse me. And my yellow is made up of several different yellows. I've got this yellow mid, I've got some process yellow, a little bit of yellow ochre, and even a few drops of burnt sienna in there. Just trying to get it exactly kind of where I want it to be, like a daisy yellow. So hopefully that shows through with the pearl. I've never done a pearl pour with a colored base, and so I'm kind of unsteady on my feet with this one. So we'll just see how it goes. The colors, my puddle paints are, let's see, this is sap green from Academy Acrylic, and I love this color green. I think it's just what I'm hoping for to kind of show through underneath the pearls. I've got some Payne's Gray left over from a previous pour. And then this one is light olive green from Liquitex. Little pop of bright color. And then this one is burnt umber from Liquitex also. This is Amsterdam's, what is this? Titanium white. And then I actually added 2 drops of yellow oxide from Golden for just a tiny bit of pigment. So it's more of a vanilla color instead of a pure white, just a hint of vanilla in there. And then this is a mixture of some gold from a previous pour and, let's see, and bronze. So I added some bronze to that. And then this one, there's just the tiniest few drops of a mixture of blues from a previous pour. I'm not even sure what they are anymore because they've been mixed up so many times. So I'm going to get these cleaned up and then we'll get started. Okay, I'm going to lay down the pearl base, and then we'll just take it from there. Oh, I always forget to torch at this point. I'm going to torch it. Okay, a lot of air bubbles here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to lay down the white first, and then I think the brown, and or maybe the green actually, this, now I can't remember what it's called, light olive green, and then I'll kind of work my way up from lightest to darkest, I think is what I'm going to do. All right, we have a ton of air bubbles, especially in this yellow. I know I had to mix it a lot and I haven't let it rest. And so I'm just going to give this a minute and let the air bubbles kind of float to the top again. And I'll torch it one more time and then we'll start tipping. Okay, so what I'm seeing now is there were so many air bubbles that it left a lot of, when I popped it with the torch, it left a lot of little white specks. And I don't think that's really a bad thing. And I'm starting to see the yellow really coming through. And so now I will just put this on time lapse while I kind of touch up as the cells are forming. Okay, well, I'm going to let this set up. I think it's really interesting. It definitely isn't, again, what I was looking for in my theme of daisies. This is more like summer storm, in my opinion. It's kind of dramatic. So I think next time around I will do a white base and then do a yellow underlayer and see if that gets what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something a little more cheerful. I still think this is beautiful and I love the drama in it. So we'll let it set up and then I'll show it to you when it's dry.